Hey, what's up, y'all, and thanks for tuning in to another episode of Cooking with FoodPRO. Today we're going to be featuring item number 21997, which is a smoked pork belly quarter from Farmland. We're going to serve it crispy with some Brussels sprouts, some creamy polenta. We'll finish it with a balsamic soy caramel sauce, and we'll garnish it with some Celebration microgreen mix from Cuppert Farms. I've got a tablespoon of grated ginger and a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Got a quarter cup of balsamic vinegar. And 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. And 1 cup of light brown sugar. Now it's nice and thick. Like I said, I can just set this aside later on for service. Alright, so now we're going to score the pork belly prior to crisping it off. This is going to help with the presentation. It's also going to help the heat to get down through the middle. So I'm just cutting on a bias here, about a 1/4 inch apart. I'm going to score it pretty deep so that the heat gets down in there into the middle. As you probably know, pork belly has a good amount of fat in it, which is part of what makes it good. Alright, so for the Brussels sprouts and the pork belly, I'm going to go ahead and cook them both in the deep fryer. So I've got my scored pork belly. I'll put it in this basket here. And then I've taken Brussels sprouts and I've just quartered them. That'll be our vegetable for the dish. And I'm just going to drop both these in the deep fryer. Those are going to cook for about 2.5 minutes. So while the Brussels sprouts and the pork belly's cooking in the fryer, I'm going to go ahead and prep for my Brussels sprouts. I've got a tablespoon of butter here. I got a tablespoon of minced shallots and a tablespoon of some of the pork belly that I've done into a fine dice here. I'm going to go ahead and add my Brussels sprouts. They're already crispy. Toss those a bit. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of my caramel sauce. What I've done is I just prepared some polenta with some chicken broth, and to cream it up I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. So you can make the polenta ahead of time for service and hold it and then just heat it to order. Alright, so I'm going to serve this in a bowl. Take my creamy polenta, use that as my base. My crispy Brussels sprouts on top of that. My smoked pork belly. And then we'll finish it off with the balsamic soy caramel. And then we'll garnish it with a microgreen bouquet. And there you have it, folks. Crispy smoked pork belly, Brussels sprouts, and creamy polenta.